And this is the big breaking story that India today broke just a moment ago. Big headway at the line of actual control in Ladakh in the 15-month standoff between India and China. The Indian and Chinese armies over the last few days have completed their disengagement at yet another friction point, the Gogra Post. After disengaging from Pangong and the Galwan Valley, this is the third friction area in eastern Ladakh from which Indian and Chinese troops have now pulled back. The Indian Army has issued a statement saying troops on both sides have returned to their permanent bases after 15 months in an eyeball-to-eyeball confrontation. The Gogra Post, which is in eastern Ladakh, north of the Pangong Lake, is a place where Indian and Chinese soldiers were very, very close together. There had been quite a bit of deployment by the Chinese army there, including artillery and hordes of troops and vehicles. And therefore, the disengagement from the Gogra Post is being seen as solid progress in the de-escalation of what has been the world's biggest military standoff, stretching for over 15 months now. India Today's Gaurav Sawant with us for this big news break. Gaurav, Pangong done, Galwan Valley done. Now the Gogra Post, only Hot Springs is remaining. It's reasonable to assume that that will happen not very long from now in the due course of time. But the Gogra Post, as you and I both reported last year and this year, Gaurav, was one of the most sensitive friction points where soldiers were very close. There were tanks deployed here. There were artillery deployed here. This was one point which was actually ripe for a confrontation. So this is really, really good news that the pullback has taken place here.
Shiv, you've hit the nail on its head. You're absolutely right. Gogra was a very sensitive friction point along the line of actual control. So about 830-kilometer long line of actual control from Depsang to Demchok, multiple friction points, but these three were a cause for grave concern. Of course, this was before India's QPQ operations that prompted China to pull back from both north and south bank of Pangong Tso. And after Galwan, that friction that had taken place where we lost 20 Braves and the Chinese, according to the Russians, lost 45. The Chinese withdrew from there and there was a buffer zone that was created. Gogra and Hot Spring, Patrol Point 17A and 15 remained. And this is where the situation in Gogra after the 12th round of Corps Commander talks was not just sorted out, but now has been verified. Both sides have verified withdrawal or pullback to permanent locations on either side. Not just that, Shiv, landform restored to original, which means whether there were bunkers or permanent defenses or RT locations or whatever else that had been created after May of last year, all of that is now restored to its original form.
Yes.
And both sides have moved back. Now, Hot Spring remains, of course, apart from Depsang. Now, Depsang predates last year's incident, so Depsang would be a separate dialogue. But here, this level of Corps Commander talks and perhaps subsequent ones will now be focused on Hot Spring. Others are sorted out.
Gaurav, thanks very much for that. Very, very important news break that we're bringing to you here on India Today. The Gogra Post becomes the third friction point. There are 4 friction points in total as part of the 2020 military standoff between both countries. This is the third friction point from which the Indian and Chinese armies have now disengaged successfully. They remain deployed in the area, but from the actual front lines, where they are just tens of meters literally from each other, they have now mutually pulled back to calm down tensions and de-escalate the situation. Long way ahead, but solid steps.